Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana TV GH so wofre me adwoa sechi
You adofo me say me hu say actress Christian Awuni mami o ti adwene ni ko bi ho a wo tonyan nkrofo di ni picture no now Christian Awuni na se adwene ni ko bi sika na wo pe na wo bresa no na wo twa tro sa no so we hunu school so mfa so hwe bra wo bre ye nyina no won se obi a wa mre sa no enam ni school a wa konti wanya appointment nesa ka dwetire wei nka na wo pa ada no ameka kire ya TikTok fo na ya nyigi ska ma wo no amfa ankodi ankoton wadwene actress to seller Kobi seller actress to adwene seller actress to momone seller enu na wo pe wo yi film yi nyina ne wo ya yi nyina no wo ati ye nyina wo anya sika bia nto wo ho na nka wo de betime di abo ho dwetire ko didwa enkipu ho bize no say ye here for interview is a Felix bra na be friend biom and some na wo busa no ni school no kan ta friend ne ma wo hon ene o maduane tantantan ye nyanya update say was akọ school mu ho sanso obi na man information nipa kronye information no famre interview biom ni yenhwe 9 months ni se obedi di peche na ba aya adwuma because onu na di obedi di peche ne ba ye na Ghana fo so mu enti Ghana youth ni say no nti obedi di peche enti because aduane ho hia enu nti na omoto aba ma obedi di peche no enti andi isifo ne mu obedi di peche yes Christian ewu nka nche so nsan ko interview na ye youth fo wa Ghana ye hia no question bisa ye hunu obedi di peche no maami asi school hu hia unsa wo bra ye no wo mu akọ school no ene ya di appointment ministers dia wo ye kura de ne ka wo se CEO Christian Ewuni na wo se CEO enya wo adwene sala na wo se ye de ye bo dwetire ne ye de ti dwetire kakra we adwene dwetire enti na wo nam na wo bre twa tro di atro to president so wo ka de enimu nyina to president so no mesi awia na ebo so abo apata de asi wo so ho wuti apata no so pa so awia bebo wutra wutwa ye lies ya bekeka kire Ghana fo youth ma wo mani ba hu sese we ne ebedi di peche dia ye follow ubedi di peche no me se wuti apata asin so awia behyew wo madam actress to Kobi seller wanya sika entimi anya bibia dwetire we na na ape school fee
you are not like that, so don't make yourself like that. Don't make yourself like that. Now, we went into an election. Nanado, Nyame. We went into an election. For the first time, we were trying to do something extraordinary. It didn't happen. And the contributing factors, can be attributed to another candidate here, which is a fact. They can try to play the dog game that they play, but that is the fact. That is the honest fact. Onumbo said, Obi call election, no, President Kufuor, it took 8 years for him to erase some amount of deficit. And into your non-logics, no. How many months do we, or how many years do we think it would take for Bawumia to conquer 1.7 million or whatsoever? Right then, I'm going to say, Charlie, Mama Yenye serious. Mama Yenye serious. Now, politicians normal fine for too much. Now, the Ayame say, they say this with huge confidence. I don't know who their advisors are. I don't know whether they read into what they give them to read. Just that you don't even know where they get that from. But your drama, how many votes? 6 million. Meboa. Say 6 million. In Tianfani said the deficit was 1.7. Mepacho, Dr. Baumenya then 4.2 million. Meboa. In Tifa 1.7 million, come 4.2 million. Who bet me win the election? Please, mama yan temnianko. Social media, oh, you know. Yes, sir. No way. Yeah, the use. Maybe some question. No. Yeah, Papa Kennedy Japan, and then ya wakoya amana be trending. Or say Mr. X. Yeah, find the X. No. I think the message should be Ken should find his own self. We need to calculate the formula for him. For Ken to find his own self. Because I know you're a philanthropist. Adiachi at the end of the man said the be support to me. Adiachi want me support to me the end of the other man and fabric me and I say me the big anymore. So maybe we should help him to find himself. Lydia Champo Michel. No, seriously, Jay. I just for me. Me personally, I don't think we need to find X. We need to help Honorable Kennedy Japan find himself because he has to find himself. As he speaks, he doesn't have himself. He belongs to the Dankwadumbu tradition, yet he wants to do better than Nkrumah. He idolizes Nkrumah as Ononeyi, but yet Nkrumah has a party that is implementing the policies of Nkrumah and the ways of Nkrumah, but he doesn't want to join that. Nenye beyi ne abura opese obo party akwesi prati obi a wona ne kwakoye interview. Senye nsem keke na opese wo keka na wo ton wo party de ma wo tamfo a eye den na okotena wo tamfo anim koye interview. President Kufuor the free maternal care ba e wa anya hwe. School feeding program ba e wa anya hwe. School health insurance scheme ba e wa anya hwe. Kufuor free education wa anya hwe. Until who you idolize is what is Nkrumah. Yet Nkrumah has a party that needs a strong leader. That is the only thing they are not winning. They are not. Nkrumah has a party that you admire, but you are not using that. Why? Yes, humble bacon. The West will not go and try and use evil stuff and say evil things about their opponent just because they want power. So that same thing will be used against them during the major campaign. The West don't do politics like that. But when your candidate does something stupid like that, you are able to come and defend because you love him. And no matter what he does, you see no evil here, no evil, you're going to support it. Even if he goes at the detriment of your party. You guys have no shame. That's the problem with you people. You guys have no shame. Like, Muni shame. It's like, this is where Ghana presidency has come to. Maybe I did Ghana presidency. Well, number one, for Ken supporters or who supporters are mobile, I'm still yet to get a policy direction. He said something about party seeker. Now, yes, you'll be contributing 4.6 million Ghana cedis. The minimum say candidates in year 5. And I'm a boy. Candidates in year 5. Until you say Obia and Feb. Me patro, I know what to say. I will do to my press conference. Say in a party for so moon this canteen. I just say me come on 4.6. What to say? One more keka home aqua year press conference and as I think of where could you say so me to say canana. No. What it be? Maybe some. Seriously, me say ye num and ye din share demu e kan asumsem e de kire yen. Me boa. Adentin and the other ones, no some farm mabontain, and fame me go on party anymore as I say. Party say niska, intimoma iska, intimikutia 4.6 million. Why didn't the other candidate do the same? So we are in the campaign moment. Into Obia the Virgin Samba. Penny udrie mate mante. Penny udrie mate mante. The our cramen who are upon no. Ejinamo hu a obu na nichie wo ye pani a ne bi wo wa wo mfa wo hu njijim. To be honest with you, I personally I believe say Honorable Ken should, because he just says a Ghana full no. So why do you even need a political party? Make it make sense to me. In your own mouth, no, Ghana full come and be our president. Let me alone. Snob MPP. Because massive MPP just was 6 million people. 6 million people who are voters that would actually go and vote. Ghana force population to abandon them 18 to 20 million people. If you ban the vote, even vote. Now me say I have the goodwill of the people. Say ne me de medin kotobalo also say as an independent and as impo no as CPP candidate and I say impo as abro party so no aka no mate abro party ya you know ya DBCC Ghana the bear tourism. Now me to me who say Ghana for ni na be di metia Mr. Metina party ni mu na party no ahame na party no stop me chances of coming to give Ghanaians the God-given talent he has given me. You a selfish man then. You don't want Ghana to progress. And Kromane, you are near Yuman. JB down Quanmus and one now. But what Jigan is so no Yamagana no. What tin the petty or cotin the petty and or the Jigan is see ho. Into we have a yin and some more bibia woman, and can you follow your own day, you follow your own thing. But like he promised us, MPP for Muni party now own free. But Obehamopan. And never seen you could make another year. Your first stop at a unity talk is for you to go and pin the people against leadership. Party DDA. No first message. If the party DDA no, dear na what so obey ya fair the women organize and the party man ye be ye to abe went to me and can do. You see how he misses opportunities. That's why I'm saying, say the people following him, I don't think say they want the man to be any president. He is same united. That is all they want to do. That is how I see it. Your first stop, it is a unity talk. And Kaokura for you to see, say, and Crawford knows when you're against such rebino, minianum, no correct election, you call, Uncle Ye. Na yeni na yenim se niama bebre ene si enti ama no koba no sa na enu nti na ama me kra Kennedy na matiesim se this time no me pese me den hihye A B C D ba se de be ya ye be protect your vote ba na ye ma me no na se be nyimu ni na mu digwa e be ka se ebre muska de ekodidwa nti ne none no policy ne bia ne se me na me ne den yemfa de ma me ndi asif so ba o se be or the 2 minute version is not say sleep at 6 o'clock.
Moses say a kufu at the time and cado by the cook, I told my coffee. Namo take a muye de kurimu, Namu fizz audition been a moyo. And I like more being say keep feet even a moyen kurimu. Ye namos woman, I know be boomine. Mutiri and a ye. Said 208 8 to 2012 nyamiam fa kufu adwama 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 kamu nyina mu from 2016 to 2020 mo wutiri na yi ebra na MPP nam court nyina na sabi okatachie otene wankona na watwa ne dokono ne nkate ayachi na wohwehwe mo ne nam court ne eba kuro we so no e na maso evo no e de mo osie because mo na mo wo sabi etire ne kon ne kashira mo betimi aso ade so eba ti mo nkama koma ntum yem me de mo baba 2016 na ya no mo fuwe die sabi tire kuro mu ni bi na campus wo manya kon ne kashiri ade so we me de beso wo mo ma de hye ne me manyina bewu enu nti na mo hu ne saa no opon yesi ye nyina MPP aban andananado ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia etimi kura Ghana fo ni yesi wiase wiase nkaya no mo ho de ne sikasem nyina sikasem to sini omutimi kura o men Ekufuado ne Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ena mudi nsɛmtwerɛfo achi ene yeye dede gu o man we mu amamu onye dede o ideas so they back board na aye adwuma na reflect timamufo abrabom enya ma bia adwuma ena enya mi wowei ma men kan kire o me kuro mu jusu fomu so emabu na wo hokora no sabi wona wo se wa bia adwuma wo adwuma nti ento abama wo ba emabu ne mrantie ma aye wo ho untime mu omu nyina adwuma amamu eya ideas ni se wo be create nyuma ne wode noma nipa komu han no na setena mu beba board na nyamfaso woni nsunsuanso wo temamufo abrabo so enye nnwuma bi dabi ti politician ni bi a wonam keka ma yewe na me ba dabi nye no na edibu man eno ne Ghana fuusu ne no yes inti amamu ye nie ubetumi aye enye ya no mo hu se IMF atemoto na sabi enye nipa binumu na enimu a wo de sabi cedi ene ekosi dollar no usidi yen hyehyeye na ma dollar no enye dey ehun han no emfa cedi nkoyere no obeje no ho why ti ehun no hwe ye nuanom a mo complain ena 8 months Captain Smart asoja fo bi eni we beje o man 2009 yes 2029 asoja fo bi anyi o man we why asoja aban no o man Ghana ye no o mawie ti soja ni bi eni we beje o man we Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ebeba 2028 2029 abebu man ama mahunu se ni yesi bu man enoma true the vice presidency yenya firi ne so effect a enya wo man yi so ene sector baby a amasabi avoid the traffic ahodo ana ekoso nyina eno ne yefre ne se obi wonimdie obi ye kandini otimi bu man di ordinary dwene ye bibi a create bibi aba system no mu a eba boa timamufo ama obi enya so mfa so ne yefre na mamu nyama bi adwuma na me wo work say there bi politician bi ke kasa e ne personal interest businessman bi kasa e woni ye wo ni team power dey ba ma yen kan okoro nkire mo Ghana fo mo executive mo amo koto aba ye nuanom delegate fo ye kan okoro akire mo ne se ma mu MPP party ani mo ase na amamu ye se wode no me gu fom eno ne ye amamu na me di kan ka kire o mesi mi kuro